Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by matching the image to the watch's screen so it displays crisply. Open the Noise app on your phone and confirm the model and resolution. This ensures correct scaling. Next, pick a clear PNG or JPG under 2 MB so transfers don't fail. Once done, connect the watch via Bluetooth and keep both devices charged above 50% to prevent interruptions. Now crop or resize the image roughly to the watch resolution, so the next steps won't distort pixels. You'll now refine the image so it fits and reads well on a small round or square display. Use your phone's editor to crop to the watch ratio and position the subject toward the center so numbers aren't obscured. Make small brightness and contrast tweaks rather than heavy filters. This preserves detail at reduced size. Then open the Noise app, select Watch Face, pick Custom, upload the edited image, and tap Sync so the app sends it to the watch. You'll finish by activating the new wallpaper and verifying legibility. Once the app reports success, tap the watch face to confirm it's applied. Make on-watch alignment tweaks if the UI allows. Check that widgets and time remain readable and observe any battery change for a few hours. If the face doesn't appear, resync from the app, restart the watch and phone. Then try again with a lighter file under 1 MB, because transfers often fail due to size or Bluetooth hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.